If you constantly feel like there are not enough hours in the day, the problem may not be that you are lazy. You may simply be trying to manage too many tasks, deadlines, messages, and distractions at the same time. That is where AI productivity tools can help. Today, we are looking at the top 10 AI tools that can help you manage your time, organize your tasks, and protect your focus. Some are designed to plan your calendar. Some help you understand where your time goes, and others help you turn a messy list of tasks into a clear plan. And the best part is that you do not have to use all 10. The goal is to find a tool that matches the way you actually work. Before we start, remember one important thing. AI can help you plan and organize your day, but it cannot magically create extra hours. The real benefit comes from reducing wasted time and making it easier to decide what to do next. Number 10. Gemini. Gemini can be useful when you have a messy task list and do not know where to begin. You can use an AI assistant to break a large project into smaller steps, turn a vague goal into an action plan, brainstorm a schedule, or help summarize information so you spend less time searching through it. For students, creators, and busy people, that can make the first step much easier. Imagine that you have 5 assignments, an exam coming up, and several personal tasks. Instead of staring at the entire list, you can ask Gemini to help organize the work by deadline and priority. You should still check the plan yourself, but AI can make the planning process faster. Number 9. Notion AI. Notion is already popular for notes, tasks, projects, and personal organization, and its AI features can make that workspace more useful. You can keep your notes and projects together, then use AI to help summarize information, organize ideas, and work with the content inside your workspace. This can be especially useful when your problem is not just having too many tasks, but having information scatter everywhere. Instead of switching between different apps and documents, you can build one organized workspace. The less time you spend searching for information, the more time you have for actual work. One more thing, do not let productivity become another source of stress. A complicated system is not automatically a better system. If an app takes longer to maintain than the work itself, simplify it. Your goal is not to create the most beautiful dashboard. Your goal is to make it easier to start important work and finish it. Number 8. Todoist. Todoist is a task management app designed around getting things out of your head and into an organized task system. Its AI features can help with tasks and planning. While the basic task structure makes it easier to see what needs to happen next, a simple system can make a huge difference. Instead of writing something like study science, you can turn it into smaller actions such as review chapter 5, make flashcards, and complete practice questions. Smaller tasks are easier to start, and starting is often the hardest part. Number 7. ClickUp. ClickUp is built for managing tasks and projects, and its AI features can help people work with information and tasks inside a larger productivity workspace. It is especially useful if you have several projects happening at the same time. For example, you could have one project for school, another for content creation, and another for personal goals. A structured workspace can make it easier to separate priorities, instead of keeping everything in one giant list. Number 6. Sunsama. Sunsama takes a more deliberate approach to daily planning. Instead of simply collecting an endless list of tasks, it encourages you to decide what is realistic for the day and connect tasks with time on your calendar. That matters because a to-do list can make your day look unlimited. Your calendar reminds you that your time is limited. Sunsama is useful for people who want to plan a realistic workload and protect time for focused work instead of filling every minute with tasks. Number 5. Rescue Time. Rescue Time is different because it focuses on understanding how you actually spend your time. Its current focus zones feature can identify periods that may be good for uninterrupted work, and it can help you understand your digital habits. This is powerful because many people guess where their time disappears. They might think they only check social media for a few minutes, but repeated interruptions can add up. Time tracking gives you real information. Once you know what is stealing your attention, you can make a better plan to reduce it. Rescue Time also has focus sessions that can help block distracting websites during a focus period. That makes it more than a tracking tool. It can also become part of a practical focus routine. A useful habit is to plan tomorrow before you finish today. Take the most important tasks, estimate how much time they need, and leave some empty space for unexpected things. AI can help you make that plan, but you should keep the final decision because you know your energy, commitments, and real priorities better than an app does. Most importantly, keep your daily plan realistic. A short list that you actually complete is more useful than a huge list that makes you feel overwhelmed. Number 4 is Reclaim, an AI calendar assistant that helps protect time for important tasks, habits, and focused work around your existing schedule. Instead of rebuilding your entire day whenever something changes, Reclaim can help find space for what matters. It is useful when school, work, appointments, and personal goals are all competing for your attention. Number 3 is Motion. Motion uses AI scheduling to organize tasks around deadlines, priorities, and available time. Instead of staring at a huge to-do list and wondering what to do next, Motion can give important tasks a place in your schedule. If something unexpected happens, it can also help reorganize your plan. This can be useful for students, creators, freelancers, and anyone managing several responsibilities. Number 2 is ChatGPT. Give it your tasks, deadlines, available hours, and priorities, and ask it to create a realistic plan. You can also ask it to break a large project into smaller steps, create checklists, organize study sessions, or help decide what to do first. Just remember to review the plan yourself and change anything that does not fit your real schedule. And finally, number 1 is Akaflow. Akaflow brings tasks and calendar planning together in one workspace. If your tasks are scattered across different apps, calendars, notes, and messages, having one central place can make everything easier to manage. You can collect your tasks, choose your priorities, and give important work a realistic place in your day. So here is the final ranking. If your biggest problem is managing a changing calendar, try Reclaim at number 4. If you want AI to organize tasks around deadlines and available time, Motion is number 3. If you want a flexible AI assistant for schedules, checklists, and projects, ChatGPT is number 2. And if your tasks are scattered everywhere and you want one central productivity workspace, Akaflow takes number 1. You do not need all 10 tools. Pick the one that matches your biggest problem. AI will not automatically make you productive just because you install an app. The real benefit comes from using the right tool to reduce wasted time, simplify planning, and protect your attention. So, which one would you try first? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for daily videos about AI, productivity, useful websites, side hustles, and digital tools. And check out the top 3 version of this video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.